Do I need any special software or tools to retrieve old call history from my iPhone?
In this video, we'll answer the question, do I need any special software or tools to retrieve old call history from my iPhone? We'll go through the different methods available for retrieving call history and discuss the tools you may need for each method.
Can I retrieve call history directly on my iPhone?
Yes, you can retrieve recent call history directly on your iPhone. To do this, follow these steps. 1. Open the phone app. 2. Tap on the Recents tab. 3. You'll see a list of recent calls, including missed, incoming, and outgoing calls. However, this method only shows a limited number of recent calls. If you're looking for older call history, you may need to try another method.
Can I restore call history from iCloud?
If you have iCloud backup enabled on your iPhone, you can restore your call history from an iCloud backup. Keep in mind that this method will also restore your entire device to the backup state, which may cause you to lose any data that wasn't backed up. To restore from an iCloud backup, follow these steps. 1. Make sure you have a backup available in iCloud. 2. Go to Settings, General, Reset, Erase all content and settings. 3. After the reset, follow the on-screen instructions to set up your iPhone and choose Restore from iCloud Backup.
Do I need third-party software to retrieve call history?
If you're looking to retrieve specific call history without restoring your entire device, or if the call history you're seeking is not available in your iCloud backup, you may need third-party software to help you. There are several third-party applications available that can extract call history from iTunes or iCloud backups without restoring the entire device. Some popular options include Dr. Phone, Phone Rescue, iMyPhone D Back. These applications can retrieve specific data, like call history, without affecting your current device setup. Keep in mind that using third-party software may come with risks, so be sure to choose a reputable application and read user reviews before using it. In conclusion, you may not need any special software to retrieve recent call history from your iPhone directly. However, for older call history or specific data recovery, you may need to use iCloud backups or third-party applications. Always choose reputable software and be aware of the risks involved when using third-party tools.